This is a song that I used to play banjo on. I lost my banjo, or I should say I lost the pawn ticket. But I don't know if I could play one if I saw it right now. So stick to familiar ground here. Wild bird, I have mended your wing, and now I'm wondering if my cold white hands can let go. Let's hold on your fluttering heart. I know you're anxious to make a new start. Won't you call me from the downwind? Rise and fall back to the ground again. My heart belongs in the mountains. Wild bird, you have mended my soul, yet I still don't know if my song can soar like your wings. But I will sing tonight this hymn to life in flight. Won't you call me from the downwind? Rise and fall back to the ground again. My heart belongs in the mountains.